Hello everyone, so how to install Discord app on Mac. So here is basically just Google Discord Mac and you should download it from discordapp.com, so only from that, and you will then download something like discord.dmg, so it's a standard Mac installation file. So then just click on that file. Then you will see something like opening Discord DMG, checking volumes, and then basically here is the app, and you just need to drag Discord to application folder. So something like that. And then you will see the copying. So that should be it. Then you just go to applications and then you will see Discord here, or just go to your Launchpad here on the. So there you have it. Discord app should be there. That's it. So let's try to open it. Just double click on it. Then you will see something like verifying Discord. Then it will download and install some updates. I don't know, it depends. And then there you have it. You will just probably redirect it to sign in. So something like that. Yeah, and then you just sign in, it should be on. Thanks for watching.